Hi guys, I got a quick update on Bluebird. You know, I installed this strut brace from IPD weeks ago, really, weeks ago. It's actually a really easy build, and I was meaning to do a video, and I just, I guess life was happening, so I just didn't do it, and then the rain was here in the Pacific Northwest, and today is a nice day, and I thought, let me do a quick video on this strut brace and what my real-world review of it is. So normally, per the IPD's website, they say that when you add performance shocks and stiffer springs and wide, low-profile tires, and I've done none of that, by the way, that puts additional stress on the front struts, on the towers, right here, and then this tower right there, right? But the strut brace, this bar right here, this strut tower or the strut brace, apparently what it does is connects both those towers, so it reduces the movement and flex under cornering loads. Well, here's what I found. I found that the cornering was sloppy anyway, and that it seemed like there was a lot of flex anyway. You can see that I have standard suspension, regular wheels, regular brakes. I do have some upgrades on the car, and I'll put a link to all my videos up in the on this video. But as far as the suspension's concerned, it's bone stock. But I always thought, man, this is really sloppy, and I bet a strut brace would help. And sure enough, it has. The flex in the chassis and the front end, by tying these strut braces together, these strut towers together, has made all the difference in turning. I mean, at low speeds, especially at low speeds, because that was my biggest gripe at low speed cornering. So very nice. It's a really nice upgrade, and it was really easy to do. The thing's only a couple $100. This brace. It comes in a couple colors. I got mine in blue, or I mean in black, but it also comes in blue. There's literally like 3 bolts. There's like a bolt here, there's a bolt here, and then on this side there's a bolt right down in there. And then on this side there's one here, or I guess a nut, and here. And you literally just undo those, put these braces on, kind of put them back in, but don't tighten everything down. And you put this in and don't tighten everything down. And once you get it all in, then you can snug it all down. And it's really easy. It took me probably 20 minutes to do it with basic tools that most people, if you do anything with your car, you probably have the tools to do this job, right? The only thing is that this is a pretty big Allen. I can't remember what size it is, but it's pretty big. So you might not have that one. I did, fortunately. Other than that, it was really straightforward. So that's what I got to say about the strut brace. It's really cool, and it's really helped the steering, even though I haven't done any of that suspension upgrade stuff I was just talking about previous. That is to be done, but not right now. All right, so I hope this helps, and if it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel because I do other videos as well.